Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you this gun, which name is Sniper Soft Bullet Gun. This looks like very good gun. See, it has this one which can open, and we can put the bullets. The two types of bullets can be put in it, and then we can shoot it by putting it this. Yeah, and it is having a motor. It switches here, which on, and then when we press the trigger, it shot the bullets. Now we are going to show you this gun, how to playing it guns.
Please subscribe our video, like and share.